Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about 10 cool things that you can do with your Samsung Galaxy A8. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is always on display. So it's running the same software as Note 8 and S8, so we get always on display here as well. So if I turn off the screen, you will see that always on display comes on and it gives me the time and date and battery percentage. Now I can actually edit it and customize it as well. So for that I need to go in settings, go in lock screen and security, and go in always on display. Once here I can change the clock type, I can change settings in different clocks, change colors, change backgrounds, and apply the settings. Now I can also set always on display to show always or according to a set schedule. Moving on, we also have a secure folder here. So if I launch secure folder, it's like a secure and safe space on your phone where you can keep your apps and files and your photos and videos, whatever you want to hide from the world, you can do that here. And you can actually even add apps straight from the Play Store and Galaxy App Store as well, and add copies of these apps. And one thing that I want to clear here is that if you add a copy of an app here, you can use it with a separate account. It's totally different and hidden from what you're using outside of the secure folder. Now we also have a multi-window support on this phone. So if I tap the recents button, it launches this multi-window feature. So if I tap on this icon, it will launch multi-window, and all the apps that support this feature will have these rectangular boxes here, and they will launch in multi-window format. Now here I can also launch apps in pop-up windows. So all I have to do is swipe down from the top right and left corner towards the middle of the display, and it will launch in pop-up window. And I can move it around, I can minimize it, and in this way I can open multiple apps and use them side by side. Now to turn this feature on, I need to go in settings, and in settings I need to go in advanced settings, and here select multi-window and turn on use recents button and pop-up view action. Next up we have smart capture here to take those long scrolling screenshots. So for example, if I am in settings, now this is a long page and I want to take one screenshot of this entire page, all I have to do is press and hold power and volume down button, and it takes a screenshot. Some options appear down below, and tap on scroll capture and it will scroll down and take the photo of the entire page. And then I can tap on this photo and it will launch in gallery, and here you can see that I have one long screenshot. You can turn this feature on by also going in settings, and in settings go in advanced features, and here turn on smart capture. Moving on, we have dual messenger here as well. So if I go in settings, go in advanced features, and here I will see this option called dual messenger. Now all the apps on my phone that support this feature will appear here, and if I turn on, for example, Facebook here, so let's go again, it will install a copy of the Facebook on my phone, and then I will be able to use two Facebook apps on my phone with two separate accounts. So let's go ahead and take a look at these two apps here. So we have one Facebook app right here and second one right here. Moving on, we also get a game launcher on this phone. So if I tap on this game launcher feature here, it actually accumulates all the games in the phone and put them in this folder. And from here I can launch these games with a normal performance mode, with high performance mode, and with power saving mode. I can also launch these games muted, so I can mute the game even before launching the game and turn off all the alerts during the games, so I will not be disturbed while I am playing the game. Now to turn this feature on, again go in settings, go in advanced features, and go in games, and from here turn on game launcher. Next up we have one-handed mode as well. So if I tap the home button 3 times, it will decrease the screen size and move it to the right, or I can also move it to the left, and then I will be able to use it with one hand. Now to turn this feature on, go in settings and go in advanced features, and here turn on one-handed mode. Now you can actually change it a bit, so you can set it to launch by gesture, and by turning on gesture you can actually swipe up from the bottom right and left corner towards the middle of the display, and it will launch one-handed mode. Now on this phone you can also use fingerprint scanner and swipe down on it to expand the notification panel and swipe up to remove it. Now to turn this feature on, go in settings, go in advanced features, and turn on finger sensor gestures. Once you turn it on, you will be able to use this feature. With this Samsung Experience software on this phone, you can also hide apps and you don't need to download a third-party launcher. So for that you need to go in the app drawer, go in settings, and in settings you will see this option called hide apps. Go in here, select an app, press apply, and the app will be hidden. Now if you want to unhide the app, go in hide apps again, deselect it, apply it, and the app will be unhidden. And finally, I want to talk about this navigation bar down below. We get this navigation bar as we got on Note 8 and S8, so we can customize it as well. So for that, we need to go in settings, and in settings, go in display, and here you will see this option called navigation bar. Go in here, you can change the color as well, and also the layout, so you can go for recents, home and back, or back, home and recents. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. Once you're done, go back and your preferences will be set. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those are the 10 cool things that you can do with your Samsung Galaxy A8. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.